This is how I study geography. So in geography, first of all, we have fundamentals. In this fundamental, we have geomorphology, climatology, 1, 2, oceanography, and the fourth one is biomes and climate. In geomorphology, we have chapters like interior of Earth, distribution of oceans and continent, and the one is minerals and rocks. Fourth is geomorphic processes, and the fifth one is about landforms and their evolution. So talking about interior of the earth, in this we have the first topic that we have is sources of information about interior of the earth, and the other one is structure of the earth. Now talking about the sources, we have direct source and indirect source. In direct source, we have mining, example. Second is drilling, example, Calico 3, and volcanic eruptions, which made molten magma available for laboratory analysis. माइनिंग के अंदर एग्जाम्पल आ जाएगा साउथ अफ्रीका के गोल्ड माइंस का, विच इज़ 3 to 4 किलोमीटर डीप, एंड ड्रिलिंग के अंदर इंटीग्रेटेड ओशन ड्रिलिंग प्रोजेक्ट एट कोला इन आर्कटिक रीजन विच इज़ 12 किलोमीटर डीप. And then indirect sources, first thing is analysis of properties of matter that we found through direct sources. For example, we know that with increase in depth, there is increase in temperature, increase in pressure, and increase in density. Then the second thing is meteors, which are from outside of the world, but they are very much like, but the structure is very much like Earth. Okay, and the third is gravitation and gravity anomaly. Then the fourth one is magnetic survey, and the fifth one, which is very important, is seismic waves. Now the seismic waves itself becomes a very big topic, seismic waves. So the study of seismic waves is this is important because it provides complete information about the Earth's interior. Now let's talking about seismic waves. My spelling भूल गई यार मैं. Seismic waves. Now so seismic wave generates because of earthquake. What is earthquake? It is release of energy along the fault. Now what is fault? It is sharp break in the crust of your earth's crust जो भी है, ठीक है. Now how this energy got released? When this crust is formed, these blocks tend to move apart from each other, and there is also overlaying block which exerts some pressure over it, and also there is a friction which locks them together. However, when the tendency of these rock of moving apart from each other overcomes the friction that was locking it, then the block gets deformed and eventually it slips and causes a release of energy and waves along all the direction. Then there is thing called focus, from where the energy first releases, and on the surface, it is epicenter which receives the waves first. Okay? This is nearest to the focus and it is directly above the focus. ठीक है, ये चीज़ हो गई. Now talking about seismic waves. Now there are certain, we talk about certain properties of it, then we talk about the types of it. In the types we have body waves, surface waves, body waves, P waves, S waves. इनकी अपनी अपनी प्रॉपर्टी है. नाउ पहले इसकी प्रॉपर्टी की बात करते हैं. सो देयर वी विटनेस चेंज इन वेलोसिटी विथ चेंज इन मटेरियल या फिर डेंसिटी. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे डेंसिटी बढ़ेगी द वेलोसिटी विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. एंड वी ऑल्सो विटनेस चेंज इन डायरेक्शन, आइदर इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स और इट रिफ्रैक्ट. ठीक है, ना यहाँ पे पी वेव्स और एस वेव की प्रॉपर्टीज़.